Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here to plan the week of July 11th through the 17th in my Recollections planner. I'm using another kit from Pretty Planner Printables today. I know I just used one a couple weeks ago, but I ended up rearranging all my kits for July so that it better aligns with the holiday that we're going on. So this is the kit we're using this week. I think it's called Pink Lemonade. You'll know in the title or description down below if that's not what it's called. But this is what I plan to use. I did pull out a couple of things to help, just these two washies. They're both from Michaels. They don't match perfectly, but I feel like they've got the same vibes, so I'm just gonna use them. So my plan is to stick those down, and then I also cut this full box into headers. They need to be 1/4 inch wide if that's helpful for you guys. So I'm gonna stick those down along the top as well. And then I'm also going to stick down the weekend banner, and then I will be back so that we can do all the interesting bits. All right, here is the basics. I'm ready to go. These ended up slightly short. I apparently cut badly, but it's gonna be fine. I also cut this guy down because it always ends up too wide for the sidebar. I cut it to 1.5 inches wide, which is the width of your standard full boxes. So hopefully I can get this laid down more or less straight. Well, not perfect, but it's gonna be okay, I think. There we go. All right, that looks much better than it usually turns out. And then I cut these last two into individuals, but I'm just gonna put them down together down here. There we go. In terms of the other full boxes, this one's the one that matches the sidebar, so I think I'm gonna leave that as an extra. It also, I think, is gonna be fine if I need to. Just not, oh, what am I doing? If I end up needing to use it for like a background as cut into like 3rd boxes or something like that. I don't know what I'm doing, but I apparently decided to be dumb. Well, that one's now a little wrinkled, but we're just gonna have to leave it because I'm not pulling it up a 3rd time. And then this one is the one that I meant to put in the middle. There we go. I mean, it's gonna be fine either way, but also, what was I doing? So I grabbed a really skinny washi to be the bottom washi, but all of these ended up like slightly too small today for reasons that I don't really understand. So I feel like I might need a slightly wider washi than what I'd planned on. So I'm gonna grab that and I'm gonna put it down here, and then I'm gonna stick these guys down along here as well, and then I'll come back so we can do the interesting bits. Okay, here is where we are at so far. This is just a washi I pulled from my stash from Amazon. I think it's looking cute. Not my best ever, but I think it's still cute. So we're gonna go with it and continue on. So moving on to the daily plans. The main thing I need to do is mark work, of course. So I think maybe I'll use these guys. These are from Creative Cavern Studio, and I feel like I never use them for reasons I don't fully understand. I'm seeing if I can find my tweezers. Okay, these are the Beauty 360 ones from CVS. I'm just going to use all these different blues because I feel like we could use bringing some more of those in. Actually, I'm going to put this one on Wednesday. And I'm going to try to mix in like another color. Love this yellow one right here. And then I'm going to pull this third kind of blue color. And also, I think maybe this pink for the second half of the week. There we go. Also on Monday, I will have a plan with you going up. So I want to include that here. Sure. So these are from Piper Paper Company. Last I knew, my discount code down below works for 20% off. I think it's Liz20. No pressure. If you do use it, just know that I get some shop credit. But again, no pressure. But if you'd like it, it's down below. The rest of the first half of the week, I've really got nothing going on. And the second half of the week, honestly also pretty uneventful. I'm just going to stick in work, and then on Friday I'm going to post a video. I think it's going to be my August kits, but I'm not totally sure. By the time you see this, it'll already be up, and then the rest of the week is a mystery to me. So this is like the super basic kind of week. Nothing much going on, but it's looking pretty cute, so stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. Okay, here's the finished spread. Turned out super cute and fun. I like this kit. I think it was definitely very summery, so that was great. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Pretty Planner Printables on Pinterest. All I have left is this tiny scrap of the side and then one full box. So I'll throw the full box into my leftovers and hopefully use it, but that's really all I had left. I had really good use of the kit. The two bottom washies are both from Michaels, and then this one is from Amazon. All of these flat lays are from Creative Cavern Studio. This is from Piper Paper Company. This skinny washi is also from Amazon. I drew my own little icons on the scraps that I had from cutting these guys down. Another Creative Cavern Studio, Piper Paper Company, Creative Cavern Studio, Creative Cavern Studio, and then this is from an Agenda 52 book at Hobby Lobby. And everything else came from the kit or the washi that I already mentioned. So I think that it was a pretty good use of the kit. Didn't need too much stuff from my stash, but did manage to pull a few things in, which was really nice as well. So I think that's all that I have for today. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out, and I love to hear from you guys. Let me know down below if you've had any fun summer activities. We went to a baseball game, so that was really fun. Let me know about that as well. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all of that good stuff. And until next time, bye.